So on 6.2 at the beginning, you have to identify different types of graphs. So these are the parent functions for those graphs. I will say that we've only done these 4. So you shouldn't run into the other ones. We'll cover the other ones next semester. So linear, quadratic, cubic, it's just the highest degree of the x. And then for exponential, it's some number with x as your exponent. So that's all you gotta do for that. When you get to the other ones, um, identifying tables and graphs, I've given you a link here for this Desmos calculator. You can just type in the function to that and it'll give you the graph. You can do it that way. The other way to do it is using the function notation that we've been using before. I meant to white out part of this over here, which we'll get back to later. But I just wanted it to look more like your classwork. So I'm going to take this out because that's what your classwork looks like. Your classwork looks like this, where you have to find those. Anyway, so back to this. You have this graph here, and you have some multiple choice answers for the graph. So first thing to notice is that this point right here is -2. So whatever happened to the function, it went down 2 times. So it's not this one here. Oh, I didn't know you could move this thing. So it's not this one here. It's either A or B. So let's just look at f of 2. So for f of 2, we want it to be 2 because that's this point right here. So let's check this out. F of 2 for the first one. So 2 times 2 to the third minus 2. So that's going to be 2 times 8 minus 2, which is 16 minus 2, which is 14, which would be way off this graph. So it's not this one either. So sure, it's got to be this one. But let's check it just in case. So f of 2 is 0. What am I doing? F of 2 equals 0.5 times 2 to the third minus 2. So this time it'll be 0.5. Yeah, this will work. Times 8 minus 2. So that's 4 minus 2. That's 2. And that's what we wanted. So when the x value is 2, the y value is also 2. So this is the one that's the answer. This is good. That's what we want. You do the same thing when you have these tables. So here's your function. Just plug your x into that. So -2, 4 to the third plus 4, and then -2, 5 to the third plus 4. So you plug this in the calculator, you're going to get those answers. All right, that is how you do 6.2.